Someone asked how this program works. So we've got our first person here, and they're happy, and they put their Tron stuff in there. And let's say they just put $1 in. How can they possibly give you $1.17 back? Well, the answer is the second person comes in. So the second person, some of their money goes to paying that person. But now the second person is supposed to get more than they put in. So where are they going to get that from? Well, the third person. And now the third person has put theirs in, and they're expecting something more. So we're going to have another person. So basically, everyone's getting paid from the next person coming in. That's how it works, really. And that can go on for a long time, depending on several things. If everyone keeps reinvesting some, then that means there's always new money coming in, so it still works. You can also just look at the graph of how things are going. So right now, the website I'm looking at is DAP Review. And if you look at tronstake, dollars, and then time down here, the graph's still going up like that. Since the graph looks like this and it's going up, that means it's okay. If it's got a little bit of a dip or something, that's not that big a deal. But if the number of people using it, if everyone just stops using it all of a sudden, then that means whoever's standing there last holding the bag, it stops working at that point. So it works just fine until everyone runs screaming out the door. As long as no one runs screaming out the door and everyone kind of reinvests their stuff, should be fine for a while. These things can last anywhere from 6 months to 20 years, depending on reinvestment rate, rate of return, that sort of thing.